welcome back to another video. So tonight I actually wanted to try and make some funnel cake using some pancake batter. I've been hearing about this for a while now and I actually wanted to try it, and I just hope it goes well because I don't really have a lot of pancake batter. So we're just gonna try our best, and I'm going to be making a food series playlist of foods that you can make during quarantine, and trying out different food topics or like food trends that are going on that you guys want me to try. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's get started in the video. So my sister is going to be helping me tonight make this funnel cake, so I just hope it goes well. So let's get started and let's just see if this whole turns out good. So let's go. So the first thing that I did was I am heating up this pan of oil, and it's on medium heat, and I just put enough oil so the funnel cake can cook in it. So now we are going to be getting on with the actual ingredients. I'm going to be using everyone's favorite Aunt Jemima's original pancake batter mix. Yeah, you're basically going to mix it in a bowl and basically add other ingredients to it as you go. So this is probably going to be very simple, and yeah, I just hope you guys can follow along to it. So let's get cooking. Once you got your bowl and your pancake mix, pour 1 full cup of pancake mix into the bowl. Once your pancake mix is in the bowl, you're going to get a 1/4 cup of water and pour it in. You may need another 1/4 cup of water because you don't want your dough to be lumpy and you want it to be smooth and pourable. Then you're going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and that is your last ingredient. It's mixing time. I don't really have a real whisk, so I'm just using the blade of a hand mixer. Don't judge me. Remember when I told you guys about that extra 1/4 cup of water? Well, you're going to need it because look at my dough. It is super lumpy and it wasn't coming together nice and smooth. So you're going to need that extra 1/4 cup so you can have that nice pourable batter, and so that it's easy to fry in the oil without it being too lumpy. So once you've got your pancake batter like this, nice and smooth, almost like a liquid, you're going to take a piping bag, or if you have a Ziploc bag, and you're going to take a tall cup, put one of the corners of the Ziploc bag into your cup, put your hand in the cup, and then basically push the rest of the bag around the cup so it's easy to pour in your pancake batter. And then once you've done that, you're going to cut a hole at the bottom, and then you are ready to begin frying your batter to make your funnel cake. I put 2 small droplets of my pancake batter into the oil to see if it's hot enough. Now transition time! Wait, say bye to the camera. Where? Right here.
Bye. They look like waffles.
They're not waffles.
They look like waffles.
No, Taylor, I don't think waffles have squiggly lines in it and bubbles.
Yes, they do. They're circled and they have something.
Waffles are not a circle.
Yes, they are.
Yeah. I think you're talking about a pancake.
I'm talking about a waffle. Waffle, waffle. Waffles are round.
No, waffles are not round. They are no.
They are round.
No. Well, our waffles are round, but other waffles are hexagons, octagons. Now our parents are going to try our funnel cake and see how they like it.
I gotta get my blueberries.
Okay.
They alright. They're not as good as mine when I used to make them.
Oh, how did you used to make them?
I forgot. I just told you that.
They're not as good as yours.
You know,
How did you
I used to
get
sell
to
them.
make them?
I used to sell them at the school festival.
That's cool. So, on a scale from 1 to 10, how good are they?
I'm good. It's like a 10.
Yay.
You did a good job.
She said a 10?
Yes.
Really? You know I'm a hard critic.
Really.
Yeah.
This is fattening to eat at night. Taste?
You really smashing up your blueberries?
Yeah, it's not getting the texture that I want actually.
You smash them. I've
Yeah.
never heard of smashed blueberries on funnel cake.
Blueberries is good for you.
I know, but
Oh,
smashed
not on
blueberries.
this.
They look different.
Very different.
They don't look the same as you see like in the movies or something like that.
I hope you did not mess up my funnel cake.
No, I'm gonna eat it. You know what I mean? Like facts. Hate to break the spirit of my daughter, but if it's not good, daddy's gonna tell you, baby, it ain't good.
Can I show your face?
I'm gonna be on television. I look good. Hell yeah, show my face.
How is it?
It's a real funnel cake.
Yay.
Take it put it in your mama's.
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and make sure to comment down below what other food I should make. Thank you for watching. Bye!